Hello guys, you all will be fed up of paying huge amount of fees to your colleges and also for your hostels. Do you want to really reduce the burden for your family? So now let us go through this video. There are some guaranteed scholarships that are available for the undergraduate students who are studying degree as in engineering or medical or BSc or BTech, any of the degrees. You will get some guaranteed scholarships if your annual income is less than 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs. Now let us see which are those scholarships available. The first national scholarship is the National Scholarship Portal. The eligibility is that you should be passed second PUC or class 12 CBSE with above 80% of marks, and your annual income must be less than 8 lakhs per annum. So almost all of you will be getting this scholarship. If you are an MBBS student, then the amount sanctioned will be 10,000 per annum in the first year, and second year and third year you will be getting 10,000 in subsequent 3 years, and in fourth and fifth year you will be getting 20,000 per annum. So don't miss this scholarship. The last date for applying is 31st December. So quickly visit NSP website and apply it there. The next scholarship is the State Scholarship Portal. This is the scholarship that is available in Karnataka state. The students who are studying any degree course, that is BTech, BSc, BA or MBBS, you will be getting almost all your college fees paid will be reimbursed if your annual income is less than 2.5 lakh. The only eligibility is that you should have passed second PUC with above 85th marks. The amount sanctioned for MBBS students is 56,700 because they will be paying a college fees of 56,700, and for hostel students they will be given additional 10,000, and if their parents are farmers they will also be given additional 10,000, and if they have labor card they will given additional 24,000. So almost all of you will be getting this scholarship. Please don't miss this. And also the annual income must be less than 2.5 lakhs. This is the major criteria for this. And the last date to apply for this scholarship is till January, and it can also be extended. So visit ssp.nic.in website and make sure that the last date will not be ended. And the next scholarship is the Foundation for Excellence Scholarship. This is also the guaranteed scholarship that will be available for almost all the professional course students, that is the MBBS and degree students. Even some BSc and BA students will also be getting this scholarship. This scholarship, the eligibility is that you should be having an all India rank of less than 40,000 in NEET exam or JEE exam, and your annual income must be less than 4 lakhs per annum. You have to visit the FFE website and apply through it. They will be making a video call. They will take an interview about you. They will also see your house, and then they will decide the scholarship. This will be the guaranteed scholarship. That too they will give 40,000 per annum in first year and 60,000 per annum in second year. Don't miss this scholarship. Please apply it because the last date is going to end within 6 days. Visit FFE website and then apply for it. The next is Om Jyoti scholarship. This is also the guaranteed scholarship. They will almost reimburse all the college fees that is paid by you. If you have paid 70,000, they will reimburse 70,000 to you. So apply to this scholarship. Visit Om Jyoti website and you apply for this. There will be no limit for the annual income. The amount sanctionable will be up to 1 lakh. If you have paid 1 lakh fees, then they will reimburse you the 1 lakh fees also. So please apply this scholarship as soon as possible, but the last date is not mentioned. You can apply throughout the year. Annual income is also not specified in the website. Please apply this scholarship. And this is the Sita Raman Jindal scholarship. This is the scholarship. Actually you have to apply it through the offline application. It has to be posted, and if you visit the Jindal website and make sure that you can download that application, and in that application the postal address will be mentioned, and your annual income must be less than 2 lakhs per annum. The eligibility criteria will be mentioned in that application, and also they will mention what are the documents that you have to submit. If you post, they will reply you through email within 1 to 2 months, and then they will sanction the scholarship. They can sanction up to 50,000 per year. So don't miss this scholarship. This is also an important. And in this scholarship, if you apply for this scholarship, make sure that you don't apply for more scholarships, because this is very strict scholarship. The next scholarship available is the North South Foundation scholarship. This is for this scholarship all the degree students are eligible, and most preferably they will give preference to the top 10% students of the state if they are having those ranks. And the application will be submitted both online and offline. Initially you have to apply through online, then they will call you and tell you to post the application through offline. At that time you have to post it. The criteria are that annual income of yours must be less than 1 lakh per annum, and it will last date is that 15th January 2023, and amount sanction can be up to 30,000 per year. And the important thing is that Navodaya students who have already studied in Navodaya will be more preferably chosen for this scholarship. So all the Navodaya students applied to this scholarship. The next is the Cadence scholarship. Actually this is a very good technical scholarship. All the degree students of Delhi, Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Pune can apply it. Make sure that you can apply as soon as possible, and they have not specified the annual income limit, but you have to apply it before 30th May. You apply as soon as possible. They will make an interview. They will make the interview twice, and they will select you for this scholarship. If you have the amount reimbursed will be that college fees that you have paid. If you have paid 70,000, then almost 70,000 they will pay it through to your college account itself, but they don't give cash to you. They will provide it to the college website itself. The next one is the Kotak Kanya scholarship. This is the scholarship that is available only for girls, and they must be pursuing first year undergraduate course, and the eligibility criteria is that their income must be less than 2.5 lakhs. Please apply to it as soon as possible, because the last date is going to end on 31st December, and the amount sanctioned can be up to 1.5 lakhs. So apply for this scholarship. And if you want to apply, you have to visit the Buddy for Study website. There you will get to details about Kotak Kanya scholarship, and there you can apply. And also the documents that you have to submit are the marks cards, your annual income limits, then your professional degree fees estimations, like that. You can apply through the Buddy for Study website. The next is the Shamnuru Shivshankarappa scholarship. This is the scholarship available for all the undergraduate students whose annual income is less than 1 lakh, and you can apply till April 2023, and amount that can be sanctioned will be 14,000 per annum. This is also the guaranteed scholarship. If your annual income is less than 1 lakh, they almost provide you the scholarship. The next we will see about there are many scholarships that you can see in the Buddy for Study. Some of the major scholarships that are available through Buddy for Study are that HDFC Indian Smiling Scholarship. That is the HDFC Badhte Kadam Scholarship. Actually there is some printing mistake there. In HDFC Badhte Kadam Scholarship, they will provide you the scholarship for those students whose annual income is less than 5 lakhs, and they can provide up to 1 lakh. If you have paid 1 lakh as college fees, then they can provide you scholarship up to 1 lakh. Okay, the India spelling is there, right? That is Keep India Smiling Scholarship. That one is also available. It is sponsored by the Colgate company. They will sponsor mainly for the dental students. So dental students, be aware of that scholarship. You can almost get that. And next is the GSK scholarship. It is also very important, because those students whose annual income is less than 6 lakh, the annual income limit is high, so most of you can apply. Please apply it as soon as possible, and they will provide you up to 1 lakh the scholarship amount. Apply it, whether you can get it or not, but that is secondary. Apply it. If you have luck and your marks is also good, they will select you, and hence apply to almost all the scholarships that I have shown here. And if you want know about many other scholarships, please visit Buddy for Study website. The Keep India Smiling scholarships are also available there. Apply it apply to it through Buddy for Study. There are many scholarships also other than Buddy for Study that I have already provided information here. And other scholarships that are available are Shooting Stars Foundation Scholarship. This is also the scholarship even our classmates are getting. They are getting up to 50,000 per year. You have to visit ssf.nic.in website and apply there. They have mentioned all the details about that scholarship. And also the Swami Dayananda Education Foundation Scholarship. This is also a very important because this they provide scholarship to those students whose annual income is less than 6 lakhs, and you have to apply to this scholarship through offline. If you download that Swami Dayananda Education Foundation scholarship application, there they will mention all the details, eligibility details, and they will also provide up to 50,000 scholarship. The next available scholarships are the Physicians Association of India. This is the scholarship that is mostly they have mostly provided 20,000 per year, I think. And Sankshema Charitable Trust, you have to apply through that Sankshema Charitable Trust website, and you will get details in that website itself. And Vidya Sarthi Scholarship, this is also a very important scholarship. The most of the students who pay their college fees in private colleges, they are getting this Vidya Sarthi scholarship. So be aware of this. If your annual income is less than 2 lakhs, then you will be getting this. The amount that you pay to the college, almost half of it and more than half of that will be reimbursed through Vidya Sarthi. So please apply for that scholarship, don't miss that. And other scholarships that are available are Foundation for Academic Excellence and Access and JMS Trust Scholarship. This JMS Trust Scholarship, it is actually the scholarship provided by trust. You have to apply it through online and JMS Trust website itself. And other scholarships is the main is the HDFC Educational Crisis Scholarship and HDFC Badhte Kadam that I have discussed earlier. These are available through Buddy for Study website itself. You have this eligibility is that you must be studying in class 1 to 12 for this. And you should have got at least 55% marks, and your annual income must be less than 2.5 lakhs, and you apply for it through Buddy for Study. Next is the Amazon Future Engineer Scholarship. This is the scholarship provided by the Amazon for most of the engineer students, but it is available only for girls. The girls who are pursuing computer science can get this scholarship. First year engineering students only they are eligible, and they can get up to 1,60,000. If you want any further details about any of the scholarships, how to apply, please comment. Apply to this scholarship through Buddy for Study, and last date is 31st December, so please apply it as soon as possible, and also share it to your friends, because almost all the scholarships last dates are nearby, so that your friends don't miss any of the scholarships. Make sure that you also apply for all of these scholarships without any mistakes. And Inspire Scholarship, actually this is the scholarship that is provided to the students who are pursuing basic degrees. The students who are pursuing MBBS and BTech, actually they can't get this scholarship. Even the KVPY scholars, they can get if any of the student has cracked KVPY exam, they can get this scholarship. Even I was cracked KVPY exam, but I don't get because I am pursuing MBBS. So if you are studying in any of the basic science courses at BSc or integrated MSc or any of the basic courses like the degree in basic science, then you will be getting this scholarship. Actually this is provided by the government, and if you didn't write KVPY and you are among the top 1% of the successful students in terms of aggregate marks in class 12 boards, or if you are among the top 1% in NEET exams or top 1% in JEE exams, then you will get this scholarship. Actually per annum you can get about 80,000, because they will provide each month 5,000 and annual contingency grant of 20,000 rupees. So be aware of this scholarship and apply as soon as possible in the website, that is in www.inspire.nic.in. Thank you. This is the information provided. Almost all the scholarships that are available I have covered in this video. If you want any further information, then please subscribe to this channel so that I will provide. And if you have any doubts how to apply or which website that you have to visit, post it in the comments as soon as possible. Even we will try to reply it as soon as possible. Thank you, Ananda.